your experience in the Cloud Save Error 2026 in Call of Duty, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Call of Duty server status page to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close the game completely and restart it. This can refresh the connection to the servers and may resolve temporary glitches causing the error. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on a platform like Steam or Battle.net, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test or trying to connect to other online services. If your connection is weak, consider resetting your router. Step 5. Relink your account. If the issue persists, try unlinking and then relinking your gaming account to your platform. This can help refresh your account settings and resolve any sync issues with cloud saves. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Cloud Save Error 2026 in Call of Duty. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.